Greetings children, welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 6, subject general science, chapter 13, fun with magnets, part 2. Part 1 of the lesson, we learned about how magnets were discovered. We learned how in ancient Greece, the shepherd named Magnus, he found out about the natural magnet that is present in the nature. So let's continue with the lesson, page number 126 of your textbook. Please, if you have your textbooks, refer the textbooks. I'll be reading out from activity 1. Take a plastic or a paper cup, fix it on a stand with the help of a clamp as shown in the figure that is on your screen as well as your textbook. Place a magnet inside the cup and cover it with a paper so that the magnet is not visible. Okay. Attach the thread to the clip made of iron. Fix the other end of the thread at the base of the stand. Mind you, the trick involved here is to keep the length of the thread sufficiently short. Now bring the clip near the base of the cup. The clip is raised in the air without support like a kite. You can see here. Yes, this part here, the thread should be as short as possible. So this clip will get attracted to the magnet which is present inside this cup. And the space here, even though there is space here, still the magnet will be standing up straight. Okay. So that is what the experiment or the activity says. Then let us continue. What is magnets and or magnetic or non-magnetic materials? What are magnetic or non-magnetic materials? So let's see the activity in page number 127. Let us walk in the footstep of Magnus. Only this time we will change the position of the magnet and the iron. So in the Magnus stick, the stick was made of iron and there was natural magnet present in the nature. So here we are just changing the place of the magnet. Instead of having an iron part in the stick, we are going to have the magnetic part in the stick. There will be a magnet at the end of our shepherd's stick. We can attach a small magnet to a hockey stick, walking stick or a cricket wicket with a tape or with some glue. Let us now go out on a Magnus walk through the school playground. What does our magnet stick pick up from the school's ground? What about the objects in the classroom? Now collect various objects of the day-to-day and use day-to-day use from your surroundings. Test these with the Magnus stick. Magnus stick means we are just naming the stick as the Magnus stick. You can also take a magnet, touch these objects with it and observe which objects stick to the magnet. Prepare a table in your notebook as shown in the picture. The table is given on your screen as well as your textbook, and record your observations. So here what you will do is you will write name of the object, then what is the material that it is made of. Like for example, the iron ball is made of iron. It is attracted by the magnetic or the magnet. Yes. Then plastic, it does not get attracted, so you will write as no. Shoe is made of leather, so and it does not get attracted. Like this, you're going to make the column of your own. Look at the last column, table 13.1, and note the objects that are attracted by the magnets. Now make a list of materials from which these objects are made. Is there any material common in all the objects that were attracted by the magnets? Now that comes as that we understand that the magnet attracts certain materials, whereas some materials do not get attracted towards the magnet. The materials which get attracted to the magnet are called the magnetic materials. What are magnetic materials? The materials which get attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic material. Example: iron, nickel, cobalt. Usually this nickel and cobalt is used making coins. Okay, then What are non-magnetic materials? The materials which are not attracted towards the magnet are called the non-magnetic materials. Okay. For example, plastic and leather. What materials did you find to be non-magnetic from the table? Now, uh, continuing, there is one more activity, activity 3. Rub a magnet in a sand or soil. Pull out the magnet. Are there some particles of sand or soil sticking to the magnet? Now shake it gently. The magnet will remove the particles of the sand or soil. Are some of the particles still sticking to it? These might be small pieces of ions or iron fillings picked up from the soil. Though through such an activity, we can find out whether the soil or sand from a given place contains particles that have iron. Try this activity near your home, school, or places you visit for your holidays. Does the magnet with the iron filling stick to it? Look like any one of the figures that are shown on your screen as well as your textbook. Now make a table of what you find. So a magnet, the first magnet shows that many iron fillings. When you pass the magnet through the soil, if you find a lot of fillings, it will get attracted to the magnet. B is few iron fillings and C is no iron fillings sticking to it. Now, make a table of what you find. That is a name of the location. It can be a colony or a town, city or a village. Did you find iron filling sticks sticking to the magnet? How many? Many means like A, if there is many. Very few or none. Okay, so you have to make that. If you fill this table and send it to Paheli or Bhoju, they will compare the amount of iron fillings found in the soil from different parts of the country. They can share this information with you. You can share this with your friends and see how the different places will have the iron fillings. Okay, so let's end it here. Ends today's class here. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and keep learning, children. Thank you.